Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie. And if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. For today's video, I am bringing you my November Yes Oh Yes bag. You guys really enjoyed every single products in this month's bag. No letdown for sure. So hope you guys stick around and watch this unbagging. I was gonna say unboxing, but this is unbagging. And my neighbor's dog wants to say hello. They're gonna be part of my videos from now on, so hopefully you guys don't mind. If you guys are loving this halo, yes, not cut crease, yes. If you're loving this halo eyes so far, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you leave, and please do turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my future uploads. So if you guys want to see my Yes Oh Yes November unbagging, then just keep on watching. Yes Oh Yes is really good at putting palettes in their bags, so really excited for this palette. This is from Bellapierre Cosmetics. This is their 12 Color Pro Jewel Eye Palette. This is what the packaging looks like. This is the outside. You have that clear view right here so you can see all your shadows, and then you just, pull your products. This is all the shades we are working with this eyeshadow palette. So you have 12 jewel eyeshadow colors in this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes with my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. You guys, I cannot put down this concealer. Let's see if we have a shade that we can use to set our lid. We don't, so I'm trying to try to use as many Bellapierre cosmetic products that I have. I'm gonna take this banana powder. This is their banana setting powder. So this is the yellow one. I'm gonna use that to set my lid. I probably shouldn't. I probably should use a translucent, okay, but it's okay. We're just gonna do it. When you're doing halo eyes, you want your eye shape or your shadow shape to be more on the roundish shape. So that's what we're gonna try to do today. So we're gonna try to bring our shading this way more so than going up this way. We are just gonna just a little bit of crease color on our lid. So I'm gonna take a taupe first, this one right here. The brush does pick up a lot of shade, but it's okay. Kickbacks doesn't really bother me. I'm also going to bring a lot of shadows onto this corner as well, because we're going to be applying a lot of shades, a lot of shadows right here as well. Now to have that halo effect, we're going to work on the inner and then the outer part of our eyes. So I'm going to take Cinder, this one right here, and we're going to concentrate that color on this part of our eyes. There it is. So we're just going to apply most of the shades right here and then right here, and then we're going to meet that on the top, and then we're going to leave this space right here clean as much as I can. But you know what, we're going to clean it up with the concealer, so don't worry about it if you get shadows in the middle. We're not worried about it. I'm not worried about it, so it's okay. But make sure you use a smaller brush than the ones that you use for your crease color, just because crease brushes are more fluffier, so that just means that it's more open, so you're getting a wide range of your lid. But with this one, we want to contain that color on specific space on our lid, so keep that in mind. I usually pat my shadows where I want it to go first, and then I blend, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then blend at the same time, I guess. Ooh, this Cinder right here is blending on its own. I'm telling you, there's shadows out there that just blends on its own. But as soon as it touches your lid, it's like, I got you, I'll blend myself. So because of my eyes are pretty small, I'm gonna bring this out a little bit and kind of just use up this space right here. That's why I kind of took my brows a little bit out, so I can use this space right here. Without adding anything to your brush, just go ahead and meet on the top like this. keep on adding it, blending, adding, and then I'll do the other side, and then we're gonna get into cleaning up the lid. So this is where we at right now with the shadow. I'm okay with it. I usually bring my shadows up high, but I'm trying not to do that. I'm trying to kind of bring it somewhat lower. I'm trying to see if that looks better. Now let's go ahead and clean up the middle part of our lid. So I'm gonna take the lighter concealer that I have. This is the light peach. This is from e.l.f. as well. Now I'm going to take another clean brush. I'm going to take Reluctance, and we are going to apply that to that space that we just cleaned. Now we're going to go back to Cinder, this one right here, and we are just going to sandwich that color. We're going to clean up the edges, and we're going to make it really pretty. If the other shades are like the ones that I've used, then this is definitely something that is worth trying. So Bellapierre Cosmetics, good job on this palette. So I am gonna do the lashes at the end. I like doing my false lashes at the end of my makeup looks now. I don't know, it's just something that I am doing lately. So I just did a coat on my lash. I used the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Forgot how amazing this mascara. So kind of revisiting old products that I have. So we're going to step away from the palette for right now. So let's go ahead and move on to the skin. I've already prepped my face. I have my oils, moisturizer, did my serum and all that stuff. So we do have a sponge in this month's bag. You guys, I didn't get the little pamphlet that came with the bag. Usually they put that in there, but I didn't get one. So this is from the company Illuminati. This is their cosmetic sponge. I received a sponge like this from a different subscription. You guys know I'm subscribed to a few, so I know that this sponge is pretty good. I enjoyed it when I used the other one. The other one that I have is in the color black, and this one is in pink. It's pretty dense at the moment, but I know as soon as you wet this, it is you know, it's gonna expand and it is gonna get softer. So guys, I found out my other Illuminati sponge. So this is the one that I just wet right now, and like I said, it does get really soft, and this is the size of the unwet one, the dry one. So it does get twice as big. Just want to show you guys a comparison. For foundation, you guys have been obsessed with this one. This is the BH Liquid Foundation Naturally Flawless. I don't think I'm going to part ways with this one for a while because it just gives my skin such a flawless look. So if you guys are looking for a foundation that gives you your skin but better, then this is something that you guys need to try, and it is buildable, so give it a try, you guys. So I went ahead and did my concealer. I think you guys saw that. So this sponge is really good. No complaint with this. It applied my foundation, my concealer, all that, even my powder. It applied it really good. But I went ahead and contoured my face. Used my Wet n Wild contour stick. Love it. And also use the IBY Beauty Highlight and Contour Palette. I just usually just take the contour 2, the middle one. That is my go-to in this palette. And then I do have a Bellapierre blush. This is in Desert Rose. This is a mineral blush. So this is what I have on the cheeks. I know it looks a little harsh, but we will blend this in a minute, well right now actually, because we do have a brush in this month's bag. This is a Kabuki brush. This is from Bellapierre as well. I can't think of any other way to use it but to take away all the powders on my face. So and just kind of blend everything you know, on my face. Just kind of merge everything together, kind of melt it into your skin. Just, you know, be very careful because you don't want to don't want to disturb all that hard work on your face. So let's go ahead and move on to the next product in the bag, which is a this is a long wear eye pencil. So this is from the company Bodyography. We received products from them before. This is a professional cosmetics brand. They are environmentally conscious company and they are paraben free. I don't think this goes with our eyes. I mean, I can do maybe like a pop of color on the lower lash, but don't want to really do that. I kind of want to just stick with this. If I went into more of the purplish shade, then this would have been a great pencil to use with that, but I didn't. But I still want to try it, you guys. That is pretty creamy and it glides on really nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to my waterline. Ooh, there she is. The shade is definitely there. It's very creamy. It glides on your lid really, not lid, with your waterline really well. This will be great if you put it on your lid as a base as well. It will definitely make your shadows pop. It doesn't help that my eyes water a lot too, so if your eyes doesn't water, this will show really well, because over here you can see the pigment really nice, but right here where my eyes water a lot, you can't really see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the lower lash using the same, probably just gonna use the dark shade right here and the taupe color. That's all I'm gonna do on the bottom. So I had to take off the eyeliner because I do like that nude, that white on my waterline, but that liner is really good, you guys. So give it a try if that is your shade. So let's go ahead and move on to highlighter. That's why my face is not highlighted yet. We didn't have a highlighter in this month's bag, but I thought why not just use this the single shadow, because we do have a full palette already. So this is from the company Nomad. I love their palette, you guys. I used it on my last Yes Oh Yas unbagging. Check that out. This is La Habana, La Playa, I think is the shade of this single shadow. This is cruelty free and vegan friendly. So this is what the packaging looks like. And then you do have a mirror, so that's pretty cool. For a single shadow, we do have a mirror. So, right, this is a shadow. This is not a highlighter, yeah. Yes, so this is what this one looks like. Let me swatch this for you. I think this is going to be a great highlighter. Ooh, yes. Good decision, good decision. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to take my favorite Wet n Wild highlighter brush and we're just gonna go crazy with it. Guys, now I like to apply my highlighter up here. I don't know, it's just me. I went ahead and finished up the face. So for the lips, you guys, I use a Bellapierre lipstick. This is, yeah, Bellapierre Cosmetics. This is in the shade Incognito. It is so comfortable on the lips, you guys. It is so velvety on the lips. Love it. And then I line my lips first though. I don't have a Bellapierre pencil, but I did have the Wet n Wild lip liner in Chestnut. Love this, you guys. Love this lip liner, you guys. This is what, like less than $1. Pick it up. And then let's see what else. Oh, lashes, you guys. The lashes that I have on is I found them on Instagram. Well, they found me, but I had to purchase the lashes myself, which I don't mind because these lashes are gorgeous. They are the brand Eden Rose. They're in the style D125. So I will link these lashes in the description if you are interested. Definitely enjoyed every single product in this month's bag. No letdown for sure. So great job, Yes Oh Yes. The palette is definitely a must-have if you love this tone, you guys. Pigmentation is there, blendability, you guys saw everything just work wonderful. The Kabuki brush is good, you guys. I mean, it's travel friendly. You can just toss this in your makeup bag and you're good to go. You have, you know, an all over brush. Everybody loves the beauty sponge. This is something that everybody can't live without now these days, makeup lovers anyways, so I am one of them. Let's see, the eyeliner, I'm not really big into colored liner unless you're nude, you're black or you're white liner, then you're gonna be pushed aside for now, but I'm sure when the time comes that I do need a purpley shimmery liner, that liner will be there to have my back. So good to have. It was creamy, so no complaint with that. Saving the best for last, the gem for me in this month's bag is definitely the Nomad shadow. This is in La Playa. So you guys, this is amazing shadow. I mean, just look at that glow on my skin. Enough said, you guys, enough said, because you can definitely use this as a shadow if you want to, but I mean, look at it as a highlighter. So if you need to blind somebody, just use this and you're good to go. So I will list all these products on the cards and just pick one that you would love to try. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.